What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rob back with another video, and I'm here to talk to you about my first week with the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, I really didn't do a first 24 or 48 because there's not much of a major difference from last year's phone. So, with that being said, I will point out some of the things that I've done different from last year. I went with a smaller model. I had the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max last year, and this year I decided to go with the 13 Pro and cut down on the size. So this is a 6.1-inch phone in comparison to the 6.7-inch Pro Max that I was using last year. Overall, if you are someone who have used the larger phone, there will be an adjustment period from using a smaller phone, but I pretty much got over that really quick in a couple of days. One thing that I do enjoy is the reachability that I have from one side to the other in comparison with the Pro Max. Even though I have large hands, the Pro Max, was a little, it was still a little bit on being a hard to handle phone with, using one hand, but this is way easier in comparison to the Pro Max when it's come to using the one hand. The notch is slightly smaller. The phone is a tad bit thicker, but it's very unnoticeable, noticeable in that matter. And again, way bigger camera, but the photography has been slightly improved. Now, if you somebody who owns a 12 Pro Max or 12 Pro, don't upgrade. As much as I like the cinematic and the ProRes photography and video that you have with this, is still not worth the upgrade. It's not worth the trouble of trading it in and going through all of that. If you're a really good photographer, you can pretty much recreate some of those effects that comes in the 13 Pro without having to upgrade to this phone. Again, though, I do appreciate the improved battery life. Actually, the extra antennas on here, in Michigan, I have seen somewhat of a improved signal through T-Mobile, which is my carrier. Now, again, I can't speak for you in other areas, but it has improved with a stronger signal. I do appreciate the 120 hertz display, buttery smooth. People who have never experienced that will probably enjoy that. If you have used Samsung phones or Android phones in the past, 120 hertz is nothing new to Android customers, Android users. But a lot of people who I've met who are strictly iPhone users they're blown away by how great the actual display is. And just the overall, it's just a slight upgrade. Like I said, the things that this phone do better isn't really enough to make you go out and pick this phone up if you have an 11 Pro or a 12 Pro. So keep that in mind. If you're in the 10, maybe 9, well, most definitely 9, I would recommend you go out and pick this up. Now, if this would have came with where the display covered the actual camera up behind the display, I think I could recommend it, even if you did have a 12, because to me that would be a big giant upgrade in comparison to what you've been getting for the last 3 to 4 years with iPhones and those notches. So that pretty much does it with my, I guess, little 1 week with it. Other than that, I don't know what else to say. Camera's better, slightly better. Graphics card on it is a little better. It's just a nice It's just a nice little bump up. So again, that pretty much does it for the video. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit notification bells down below. And please, by all means, follow me on my social medias. And other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.